Yes guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will cook some curry chicken back and white rice. And in my curry chicken back, I will put a butter bean. So what I'm going to do now, I will season the chicken back in the pot and make it see what I want. So just watch what I want guys. I will cut up the season, we're going to season. Curry chicken back and white rice guys. So watch what I want. Season up the meat in the pot. Just watch what I'm going to do with it. Garlic. Seasoning pepper, not hot pepper. I don't like any hot pepper. Long time I don't say hot pepper too. Guys, the pot I go bad. Remember me tell you. Curry chicken with the curry chicken back with the butter bean. That's how bad. Remember me tell you. So guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put in the curry. This is my curry. Yeah. So I'm going to put in the curry now. I'm going to tell you that I season everything in the pot. Put oil, everything. Hey guys, so this is my chicken back. See it well seasoned up and done. Yes, I'm going to put two Maggi cubes. I have two Maggi cubes. I'm going to put it inside. I don't want a lot of bad season in my pot. So what's all going? I'm going to put 2 cubes Maggi cubes. So I'm guys looking at what to see. Yeah. So I'm going to make the stove here around say 5 minutes after I light the stove. I put my oil already. So I'm going to just sprinkle a little black pepper. Guys, I'm going to go back. I'm going to tell you. The curry chicken back here with the butter bean and just sell off. Yeah. I'm going to put a little salt. I'm not going to put a lot. Just a little. You know. So, guys, I'm gonna cook for a couple minutes and then we'll come back and light the stove. See it? So I'll go on there. Couple minutes and then come back light the stove and I'll go see what happens. So just stay tuned, guys. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna put on my rice. Yeah. So I'm gonna put a little piece of butter in it now. So just stay tuned and watch what I'm going. Yeah guys, I'm gonna put a little piece of butter. So guys, a little piece. Not too much. Guys, I'm gonna leave your rice in here. Yeah. Yeah guys, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna light my chicken box stove. Yeah. I'm gonna light the fire and light chicken box on the stove. Watch what I'm doing. Brown one. Yeah. So guys, after I said, you season the meat in the pot. I put all the bag season, the ground season. So watch what I'm doing. I make it go on steam down. Then I will put the butter bean. So watch what I'm doing. You guys chicken back a cook. Rice over here, so guys, rice up white. Yeah. When I go turn on the stove. Yeah, make me go on. Yeah. This over here, so I want to know what other things you can do. Don't let it go. Other things you can do that I want to do. So just stay tuned and watch what I'm doing. Guys, now show you what I'm going in the pot, you see it? Yeah. So soon from now, I'm going to throw water upon it and you're going to see what I'm going. Just stay tuned, guys. I'll be right back. Yeah guys, so now I'm going to put some water on the chicken box. I'm not going to put my water. Yeah, so then when this can cook the meat, chicken back with butter bean and white rice. Yeah. I'm going to show you like what I'm going to see what on. Yeah guys, so this is how I go on in my pot. You understand how I did? So guys, I go see the finishing look, so stay tuned. I'll be right back. Guys, this is how I go on in my pot. Yeah. See that? So I go on in my pot, guys. So I'm going to put some more ground season, and then I put my butter bean. So just stay tuned guys for the finishing look. Over here, as you can see, my rice finished. See that? Yeah. Yeah guys, so stay tuned and watch what I go on. Yeah guys, so look what I go on over here. So now, what am I going to do? I'm going to put in my butter bean. So watch what I go on guys. I'm going to put in my butter bean and make it go down. So stay tuned and watch what I go on. Yeah guys, as you can see, I put in the butter bean. Yeah, so I'm going to make it go right down now, make it go down. You see finishing look. Yeah guys, so you go see the finishing look. Yes guys, take a look. So the badness go. So the badness go. Curry chicken with butter bean in my curry chicken. Yeah guys, so now I make this dry down now. So stay tuned. I go see the finishing look. And remember, like, share and subscribe. Click that notification bell as a video drop, you can have it. You understand what I did and watch more you do too. More you drop a comment and tell me what you think about the curry chicken back and the butter bean. Yeah guys. Yeah guys, I'm going to go on the pot. In the pot. Butter gone good. Now like the butter gone good, so I'll leave around say 3 more minutes or 2 more minutes. Yeah, I'll take it on. Guys, you're going to see the finishing look. The one I was sick, remember that. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn off my stove and I'm going to dish it and let it see water. Make this the finishing look on my curry chicken back with butter bean and white rice. Yeah guys, so I'm going to cut the stove now and I'll show you the finishing look when it's inside of the place, so stay tuned. Yeah guys, so this is my curry chicken back and white rice with butter bean in my chicken back. Curry chicken back with butter bean and white rice. So guys, when you like that video, yeah, and drop a comment and tell me what you think about this video. I'm out.